Good morning, or should I say almost good afternoon, because it's like almost noon.
Excuse me.
That is a-okay to get your day started this late. Not really, but I'm just gonna pretend like it is. I kind of need to clean up my room a little bit before I do anything, but I also need to go to the gym. And what am I forgetting? I kind of want to go to the Salvation Army to check out if there's any inventory for Poshmark. So that's today's plan. I look absolutely disgusting and I'm not even gonna shower, so. I know this lighting is absolutely horrendous, but we're gonna deal with it anyways. Okay. For what it's worth, I know my own. It's not your prices, baby. Not sponsored, but this toothpaste has seriously like changed the game for me. Like, it's whitened my teeth so much. I already chugged a little bit of water for the morning, so hydration. Why is it locked?
Will you dress?
Say hi to the vlog. It's really dark, so it's not focusing on you. But okay. Ooh, check these bad boys out. Yo, I look like Jeffree Star. Like, wouldn't he wear something like this? Are these like fishing glasses or something? Do you guys want to say hi to the vlog and say good morning, babies? These are my children. Babies, do you want to say good morning? There's Uzi, Andy, Pluto, Garrett, and Scott. My babies, they're slightly annoying, but I've learned to live with it. I want to get a bigger bird. I think I want either a cockatoo or an eclectus parrot, but I haven't decided yet. I was talking to the camera for a solid 8 minutes and had no idea it wasn't recording. So recap, I forgot about the Gymshark sale and I didn't get any Gymshark. I guess that wasn't as long of a recap as I thought it was gonna be. What to wear to the gym. These leggings are like some of my favorite leggings in the world. And I got them at Marshall's for like 12 bucks, so word. Okay. She's like 12 and I'm 18, about to be 19, and she's taller than me, so.
It's recording.
Okay. Thank you.
So you like, how do you hold it like that? Or you just like hold the sticks?
I either do that, oh, I just ate paper and I hold them together. I really like just did eat paper.
So, how do you like, what do you just do? You just talk to it like they're people?
Dude, look! Look how much I ate! That's a lot of fucking paper! Ew!
So Hannah just ate paper. She's dumb.
I wasted a whole freaking Starbucks.
So she's eating Starbucks and we're heading to the gym. Makes sense.
I'm of the utmost of healthy people.
Dang, you just like ran right into the tree. Who was there with you?
Jacob and Peyton. Because she was getting her lavender one up here. I really want a lavender, but like I want it like a long and like up this put my forearm.
Talking about tattoos. How do you zoom in?
This big thing, but it doesn't zoom in very far.
Right there. Oh.
Boom, 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 boom.
My soul, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me
Okay, so we're leaving the gym and going where?
The Salvation Army.
If it's like Goodwill, I'm not going in. I'll just stand outside because it actually makes me want to throw up.
Hope is too prissy for thrifting.
It just makes me throw up. Like going into Goodwill.
Clothes, dude.
I know, but just being in there.
Oh my god, shut up. That's so cheesy. But I don't know if we'll all be going here, though, so we might need to keep it in the basket.
In the store. I'm talking to the camera. I'm gonna get a shovel. So we're just, looking around.
So everything with a red tag is $1. Put it down and have a look.
Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, so we've been in here for like an hour. Not an hour, like 45 minutes. And she has all this stuff. So she got check out.
Yeah. Oh. I look fat because it's like fisheye. It makes my arm look huge. Look at her muscles. Show those muscles. Oh yeah. Oh yo, I look like a dude. Oh, that's so bad.
I'm gonna show mine.
I'm never gonna flex ever again. I'm flexing too hard on this, on them peoples.
So we are done with thrift shopping.
Salvation at the Salvation Army.
Yeah.
Honestly, so nice that I don't have to vlog, but I'm still in the vlog.
Oh, I thought you meant like the store was nice. I was like,
It's nice at Goodwill.
I can go in that store, but I'm not for long. Goodwill, can't even walk in it.
What?
Like I can't go in there. It makes
You
me
can't
like,
walk in Goodwill?
No. Like one time I actually felt really sick.
That one wasn't bad.
Like one time when we went to like one where there's just like a bunch of buckets everywhere.
Oh, that one's pretty nasty. But I mean, that's the, what's it called? The outlet. That's pretty gross though. The hell are you looking at, buddy old pal? Can a girl not just back up in a turning lane? Got a snack. Some blueberry waffles. Not that healthy yet, but I couldn't resist. I think I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my Poshmark pictures and everything, and just how I do all of that. So yeah, so taking Poshmark pictures is actually pretty easy depending on how you find like you want your setup to look like and everything. Mine's pretty basic. Just use my floor. Sometimes I'll use my wall because it's white, or like my bed sheet because it's white and it looks nice. But I normally just use my phone really, because I use my phone to like edit the background to be like a little bit whiter, and I use like the square on my phone.
My soul, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine.
I haven't vlogged in a while since I took all the pictures and everything, but I got all of my listings up on Poshmark. I made a post on Instagram about the new listings. Yeah, here's all the new stuff. Got some Birks on there, some Guess combat boots, Loft biker jacket, this cute off-the-shoulder shirt, just a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, I've just been on my laptop kind of sharing my closet, following some people, just trying to get those sales up. Honestly, I'm kind of getting really tired. It's only 7. Ooh, we got a like. So those of you who don't know how Poshmark works, when somebody likes your item, you're able to send them a request or like an offer on the item. So somebody just liked these sunglasses that I have on here. So then I hit offer to likers and I can choose the price. I don't know why my computer's being slow today. I'm gonna offer her a solid $15 because I've had these for so long and I hate them and I need to get them out of here. So I hope she takes them for 15. That's all I'm gonna be doing all night is just this. So probably gonna end the vlog here. I don't even know what else I'm trying to say. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Your girl would appreciate it. Say peace out to the birds. They just got really quiet for some reason. Say bye, birds. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.